Welcome to the first step towards your billionaire journey, the mindset shift. When we talk about achieving success on a grand scale, we're not just talking about making smart investments or launching successful ventures. We're talking about something far more fundamental, something that lies at the very core of every successful billionaire. We're talking about the mindset. It's no secret that every billionaire out there, regardless of their industry or background, possesses a unique mindset. This mindset, like a master key, unlocks the door to success and prosperity. But what exactly is this mindset? Well, it's a combination of several key traits. First and foremost, it's about resilience. It's about having the ability to bounce back from failures and setbacks, to learn from them, and to use them as stepping stones towards success. It's about having the grit and determination to keep going, even when the odds are stacked against you. Secondly, it's about adaptability. In an ever-changing world, the ability to adapt is crucial. Those who can pivot quickly and efficiently, who can embrace change and turn it to their advantage, are the ones who stay ahead of the game. And finally, it's about the relentless pursuit of excellence. It's about constantly striving to be better, to learn more, to do more. It's about setting high standards for yourself and then doing everything in your power to exceed them. But keep in mind, cultivating this mindset isn't something that happens overnight. It takes time, effort, and a lot of self-reflection. It's a journey, not a destination. It's a continuous process of growth and improvement. So, as you embark on your journey towards billionaire status, remember this: your mindset is your most powerful tool. It's the foundation upon which all your success will be built. It's the driving force behind every decision you make, every goal you set, and every challenge you overcome. Remember, your mindset determines your success trajectory. So, start today. Start now. Cultivate the billionaire mindset and watch as the doors to success and prosperity swing wide open. In our quest for billionaire status, identifying opportunities is crucial. It's like being on a treasure hunt, except this treasure isn't buried on an uncharted island, but hidden in the trends of our evolving world. To spot these gems, we must stay ahead of these trends, understanding the nuances of emerging technologies, nascent industries, and global shifts. It's about reading the signs of the times and being prepared to seize the moment when opportunity knocks. But how do we know where to look? Well, a key strategy is networking. By surrounding ourselves with diverse perspectives, we expose ourselves to a myriad of ideas and possibilities. This broadens our horizon and sharpens our vision. Remember, curiosity is our compass on this journey. It drives us to ask questions, to dig deeper, and to explore the unknown. Opportunities are everywhere. It takes a keen eye to spot them. So, arm yourself with knowledge, cultivate curiosity, and keep your eyes peeled for the next big thing. Having the right entrepreneurial strategies can accelerate your path to becoming a billionaire. Now, let's delve into the essence of entrepreneurial success: strategy. The journey to billionaire status isn't a sprint. It's more of a marathon. It is a long-term game that requires patience, tenacity, and of course, the right strategies. Firstly, it's crucial to remember that every mammoth enterprise started as a small idea. This is where the concept of start small, think big comes into play. As an entrepreneur, you start with a vision, a small spark that has the potential to ignite a massive flame. But while starting small, your thought process should be expansive. Envision your venture growing, reaching heights beyond the ordinary. This mindset is what differentiates billionaires from the rest. Next, focus on scalable businesses. Scalability is the ability of a business to grow and adapt to increasing demand. It's about creating a business model that can handle expansion without compromising performance or revenue. In the digital era, scalability has become even more relevant. Technology has broken down geographical barriers, making it possible for businesses to tap into global markets like never before. Speaking of technology, it's not just a tool, it's a catalyst for growth. Leveraging technology can streamline operations, enhance customer experience, and open up new avenues for revenue. It's about being innovative and staying ahead of the curve. Remember, in the world of entrepreneurship, those who adapt survive. Finally, let's talk about diversification. It's a strategy that involves spreading investments across various business ventures to reduce risk. It's like not putting all your eggs in one basket. Diversified investments can provide a safety net during economic downturns and ensure a steady flow of income. But remember, diversification doesn't mean randomly investing in every opportunity that comes your way. It's about strategic planning, understanding market trends, and aligning your investments with your long-term goals. Remember, strategic planning is the heartbeat of any successful venture. So, aspiring billionaires, equip yourselves with these strategies, and you'll be well on your way to unlocking that coveted billionaire status. In 2024, technology is your golden ticket to billionaire status. But why is technology so pivotal in wealth creation? Let's dive in. Technology, in its many forms, is reshaping the world as we know it. It's creating new industries, revolutionizing existing ones, and redefining what's possible. The key to leveraging this wealth of opportunity lies in understanding and embracing digital transformation. Digital transformation is the integration of digital technology into all areas of a business. It's about changing how you operate and deliver value to customers. It's about being more agile, efficient, and innovative in a world where change is the only constant. Digital transformation is your survival toolkit. But here's the thing, technology is not just a tool, it's a catalyst. It's a catalyst for innovation, for disruption, for growth. It's breaking down barriers, democratizing access, and creating a level playing field where anyone with a great idea can make their mark. Consider the rise of blockchain technology. It's not just creating a new financial ecosystem with cryptocurrencies, it's offering unprecedented levels of transparency, security, and efficiency in everything from supply chain management to digital identity verification. Or take artificial intelligence. It's not just about automating tasks, it's about augmenting human capabilities, making smarter decisions, and driving unparalleled levels of personalization and customer experience. And let's not forget the metaverse, a virtual universe that's blurring the lines between reality and digital. It's not just a gaming platform, it's a new frontier for social interaction, commerce, and creativity. Staying tech-savvy in this era is not optional, it's a necessity. It's about staying relevant, staying competitive, and staying ahead of the game. It's about seeing beyond the hype, understanding the implications, and seizing the opportunities that technology presents. In 2024, technology is not just changing the game, it's changing the rules of the game. So whether you're an entrepreneur, an investor, or a visionary, remember this: technology is not just a trend, it's a trajectory. Embrace technology and let it pave your way to success. Strategic investing is a cornerstone in the foundation of billionaire status. It's about more than just picking the right stocks or buying low and selling high. It's about understanding the global economic landscape and diversifying your portfolio across a range of asset classes. From real estate and commodities to stocks, bonds, and emerging markets, each asset class carries its own risks and rewards. Staying informed about global economic trends, geopolitical shifts, and regulatory changes can provide you with the insights needed to make informed investment decisions. It's about seeing the bigger picture and understanding how different factors can influence market dynamics. But remember, strategic investing is a marathon, not a sprint. A disciplined, long-term approach can help mitigate short-term market volatility and yield substantial returns over time. It's about patience, perseverance, and the ability to remain calm under pressure. Invest wisely and watch your wealth grow. Lastly, remember that true success lies in making a positive impact on society. In our pursuit of wealth and prosperity, we must not lose sight of the larger picture. The world in which we exist, and the people with whom we share it. This is where the concept of social impact and sustainability comes in. It's not merely a buzzword or a trend, it's a critical component of long-term business success in the 21st century. Why, you may ask? Because businesses that prioritize social responsibility and sustainability tend to earn the respect and loyalty of their customers, their employees, and society at large. Consider this. A brand that contributes positively to the world is a brand that people want to support. It's a brand that stands for something more than just profit. It's a brand that resonates with people's values and aspirations. And in today's hyper-connected world, this kind of brand affinity is priceless. Moreover, focusing on social impact and sustainability can also lead to innovation and new business opportunities. For instance, addressing environmental challenges can lead to the development of green technologies and sustainable products. Tackling social issues can open up new markets and create demand for inclusive products and services. Furthermore, businesses that are socially responsible tend to attract top talent who are not only skilled but also driven by a sense of purpose. And as we all know, having a motivated and dedicated team can be a game changer in any business. Finally, it's important to remember that wealth is not just about accumulating resources. It's also about using those resources to create a better world. It's about making a difference in the lives of others. It's about leaving a legacy that goes beyond numbers. So, as you strategize your journey towards billionaire status, do not overlook the power of social impact and sustainability. Integrate it into your business model, your operations, and your brand narrative. Success is sweeter when it contributes to a better world. And who knows, your commitment to making a difference might just be the key to unlocking your billionaire potential.